How to recover password on JD Sports on PC. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to recover password on JD Sports on your PC. So let's jump to the process. First, open any web browser available on your PC. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar, then type in www.global.jdsports.com. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of JD Sports. Now here you can see my account option at the top. Click on my account. Then here you can see login. Now click on forgotten your password option. Now to recover your password, first click on email address box and enter your email address that you have used to create your account. After this, click on reset password. Now here click on OK option. After you do so, now open your email. Then look for the mail sent by JD Sports. Then click on the given mail. Now here you can see password reset. Scroll down. Then you'll be able to find click here option. Click on it. Now to recover your password, first click on new password box. Then enter a strong password for your JD Sports account. After this, click on confirm password box and re-enter your password. After you do so, click on reset password. With this, your password will be recovered and changed. Now make sure that you remember your password. After you do so, now you'll be taken to login page. Now you can simply enter the password of your account. Then you can click on sign in option. With this, now you'll be able to log in to your account. And this is how you simply recover password on JD Sports on PC. Hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our content, make sure you like, comment and share. Thank you.